Anagha. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this episode, I am going to show you some Portulaca plants and Torenia plants of our garden. Yes, let us start the video. Look here, friends. Wow! My mother planted Portulaca plants both sides of step. Portulaca is a small but fast growing annual plant. See this variety. It looks like a stud. This is Thailand variety.
People call these plants by different names like porcelain, table rose, moss rose, 10 o'clock flower,
and in our local language we are calling it as Nelagulabi, Ettumani, Pattumanipu, etc. These are the few varieties of Portulaca flowers with many petals in different colors. Friends, this is the Torenia plant.
At present, we have only 3 varieties of Torenia plants in our garden.
Not much sunlight is required for this Torenia plant. Direct sunlight bleaches the color of flower.
The stem or the whole plant itself is delicate, but the flowers are very beautiful.